All right, good morning, y'all. Hope everybody had a good weekend. So we kind of come to the end of this. I think I got like one more lesson after this as far as talking about those GUIs. So remember last week we kind of talked about those forms, and then we did the form actually using the code, and then we also did the form using Google Forms as well. So today we're gonna kind of talk about a little bit about layers. We already kind of talked about image maps before. We'll kind of touch on that again and kind of refresh your memory on how navigation bars work as far as in terms of Google sites. All right. So first part, understanding layers of GUI design. So it says layers are transparent sheets that can hold different elements of a design. All right, they allow us to organize and manage different components on a digital interface. For example, on a website, we might have a layer for the background, another for text, and another for images. All right, so it says by arranging layers, we can control how elements appear on our screen. So the basis of that is like, say for instance, let me go look at this. All right, so if we're looking at this example, so like this would be a layer. All right, that would be a layer. That would be a layer. And actually this text as well would be a layer. So it's just kind of how I move it, and I want it to be seen by the actual person that's actually visiting my website. Those would just be considered layers, all right? So, because I can actually move all this stuff around to where I actually want it to be, if y'all can kind of see that.
So you go add to our website?
Huh?
You go add that to our website?
Yeah, so we gonna do this today after I get finished talking about the other part. All right, so that's basically what a layer is. So I know some of y'all had me for digital design, like when we did the what's that thing? I can't think of it. When you had to take the picture and then actually I can't remember what the name of the sound is right now. But that's another. So Photopea, everybody remember use Photopea with me? Yeah. So remember how you used to have those layers that out to the side? That's basically what it's talking about, but it's just talking about in the sense of using it for web design, all right? So image maps, all right, so image maps are graphic images where different areas are clickable and lead to different destinations. All right, they are like a map where each location takes you to a different place. All right, image maps are often used in websites to create interactive elements. So it says imagine clicking on different parts of a map and being taken to relevant information. That's the magic of image maps. So, all right, so everybody remember us using this kind of last semester, earlier this semester. All I really do is I actually find that image that I want to use for my image map. All right, whatever that may be, I kind of set the parameters of where I want it to be to where if I click this part of the image, it's going to take me to a link that I actually place in there. So that's what an image map is, all right? But like I said, we kind of already did that before. And I'll just do a quick example. Hold on, let me do something from here. All right, so say for instance, I had this. All right, remember we kind of did this late last year. Remember I click here, click there in the corner. All right, now that whole area right there would be to where if the person that's visiting the website clicks on that, it's gonna actually take them to that link that I want them to go to. All right. So there's a couple of different ways you can do it. We're gonna do it slightly different on assignment today, but that's the gist of the image maps. And then lastly, you have navigation bars. All right. So navigation bars are menus that help users move around the website or application. They usually contain links to different pages or sections. All right. Well designed navigation bar makes it easy for users find what they're looking for. When creating a navigation bar, it's important to consider the organization of links and how they will help users navigate smoothly. All right, so we kind of talked about navigation with the first lesson of this unit. What we're gonna do with it today, we're gonna actually add some more sub pages to our one of our other pages. But remember, our navigation bar. All right, so like I kind of said, I want to make sure the order of my navigation bar kind of represents how I want the people that's visiting my website to actually see my website. So if I want my home page first, my about page second, episodes, characters, gallery, I just want to kind of make it into an order to where it's convenient for the person that's actually visiting the website. All right. All right, so layers, image maps, and navigation bars. All right, so that's all we're gonna kind of be talking about today. All right, so moving on from that. All right, so we still gonna be focusing on our fan page that we've been working on this entire unit with this. I don't know, should I explain it first? I think I should explain it first. All right, so we're gonna add 3 sub pages to our gallery page. All right, so if you look at this one that I did right here, so we're not gonna actually have nothing on the gallery page. We're gonna create a pixel art page of the show. All right, get pictures of that. Realism, kind of, sort of. No, that's ugly. And we're gonna find 3 oil paintings of the of your show, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually create create an image map to a different link on each one of those. Because if you see, if I click on these pictures, all right, it takes me to another website. All right, same thing for realism. If I click on that image, it's gonna take me to a video. And then lastly, oil painting. All right, I click on that, it's gonna take me to fan page. Okay, another fan page. So, let me open up my other one, because that one I already finished. Hold on. All right, so I'm gonna kind of do this with y'all, so you can kind of see it as well, or you can also go ahead and do it by yourself with the directions. All right, let me see where I'm at. All right, so it says, all right, your objective says you have been assigned to create a website for a fan page dedicated to a popular animated character. All right, so for the goal for this assignment would be to add additional pages to the navigation menu. All right, add layers of text to your new pages, which will actually be layers as well. The pictures will be layers as well, and create image maps using pictures. Okay, so you need to go to your Google site. All right, and then the first thing you're gonna do is that, hold on, I clicked the wrong thing. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, all right, looking at the directions, said pencil art sub page, so it said I'm gonna go to pages, gallery. All right, I'm gonna click on the 3 dots next to gallery. I'm gonna click add a sub page. I'm gonna name that pixel art. I'm gonna click on the pixel art sub page, click insert, and then click on this content block. It should just be those 3 pictures. Search the web and say 3 pixel art images from your show. I'm gonna upload those 3 pictures. So it says on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, search for a website with an online game for your show. Now, if it doesn't pop up, that's fine. Just copy the URL and paste it. I'm not really worried about the actual website showing up for real. I just want to see to where when I click it, it actually takes it there. We can't actually go to it because it's actually blocked, but so once I find that website with online games for my show, all right, I'm gonna copy that URL. All right, so from there, and I'm gonna do all this as well. So from there, it says select the square with the biggest picture. Then I'm gonna click the insert button with that insert link and paste the URL. And it says lastly, click insert, click the text box. All right, type link to games, and then I'm gonna attach to the bottom of the picture. Now. All right, so let's say I'm gonna click this dot over here, add a sub page. All right, name that All right, pixel art. Oh. All right, so from there, click on that sub page. Make sure that's selected. I'm gonna go back to insert. I'm gonna click those 3 boxes, so it should look something like this. All right. Now from here, I need to go and find 3 pixel art images of that show. So it doesn't matter. It can be images of anything in the show. It doesn't have to just be your character. So I'll just type something like this. So pixel art adventure time. And all I'm gonna do is save 3 of those images. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same ones I did last time. So save. You can also copy them as well, y'all, if you don't want to save them. Just copy and paste them. What's up? I've not heard anything about that. I don't like that. No, like, oh, good. All them across the way, pretty is high. And no gray over my face, is a plastic they roll. Oh, that's a gift. I want that. I can't let you roll, talking to that. Whatever I say, so whoa. Use that. Come on. Save that. That'll work. And then let's do that second one. That one I did the last time. Let's see. What car you drive? Let's use this again. Save. Nope, I don't want that. Alright, so all I would do is just load those in, whichever one you want to be the biggest. It's up to you. Let's see, which one I want. I'll do this one. The biggest this time. Alright, so once you have those 3 pictures on there, y'all, all I'm gonna do is select the biggest one. Alright, you should see this where it says insert link right here. So I'm gonna click that. Alright, so now from there, I'm going to so now I'm gonna look for it. So like I said, online game of that show. So I just search for that as well. So game adventure time. Yeah. So I just copied that URL, so it may not show up now. But so like I copy that. And like I said, if it don't pop up, y'all just copy the URL of it. You don't have to actually show up. So all I would do is just paste that and then apply it. Alright. So now if I go and preview this, and I click this link, so you see I already see the little hand. So now if I click that link, it's gonna actually take me to that website. So that's another way to actually create an image, Yeah, that's another way to actually create an image map without us having to actually go to that website that we usually do. So this is another way to do that. It's kind of faster. So last thing we're gonna do for each page is I'm gonna add a text box at the bottom. All right, now all I wanna do is, everybody kind of watch up here, if I click here and I kind of drag it, and you see that little blue bar there, that means that it's attaching it to that layer. So it's gonna attach this text to that layer. So you see how it attached? And so all I would type here is link to a game. So link to game, and then I will put a emoji. So the emoji is a little smiling, the little face. All right, so you just click that and then scroll down so you see the hand, and then I will hit that. And I kind of make the font bigger, so it and then that's it. So now I've used my layers. I created an image map, and we also added another page to our navigation menu. All right. So that's the gist of what you're gonna do for the next two. Only difference is the type of pictures that you're gonna get and the and what you're looking for as far as what you're trying to link that picture to. So let's do the next one. So, all right, so realism sub page. So I would just go back to pages. I go back to gallery. Make sure you create the sub page from the gallery page, not from pixel art. So for the next one, I'll just click those three dots again, add sub page again. All right, this time I'll type realism. All right, so I kind of do that same deal. Insert, hit those three blocks. Then now I would go and find I'll find three realism images of the show. All right, realism. Realism. It's okay. All right, so all I do is find three of those pictures as well. So I just do the same ones I did last time.
We doing the same page in every page?
Huh?
Doing the same thing in every page in every real image?
Yeah, so the only difference is now I would type realism instead of pixel art. That's ugly, I ain't believe. I don't know why it was clear on my thing, it ain't showing up clear now. I may not even want to use it. Cause I like it when it becomes clear. Hey man, I try. I just use these. And like I said, y'all, if you just want to copy them, you can copy them and actually just paste them onto the thing too. Wow, that came up as that. This one. You can? Oh.
Are we still doing that fan page thing?
Yeah. Nah, we almost done. We got a couple more things to do.
Seems like a lot.
Say what?
Seems like a lot.
Okay. We got a little braids in.
Look,
Scared of you.
look.
My bad. Big braids.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I'm gonna stop playing with your name like that.
Please stop.
Wow.
I'm too friendly like that.
What's happening?
Mine.
I don't know why we still call them tablets.
I
Okay, maybe we just grew up different. We grew up different.
don't know why this look like this. I ain't like it looks better on the other.
Nah, I gotta get right because I don't know what we're doing. I don't feel like doing no
All right, so same thing we did for the last one. All right, click that insert the link, and then for this one, it's I'm searching for. I'm gonna go on YouTube and search for like a marathon. I don't know. And then I'm just gonna copy the link from YouTube. It's cool. I said, what's cooler than be cool? All right, marathon.
I thought you was recording the assignment for Jada. I thought we was gonna be in
You thought you think I'm that nice?
Well, yeah.
Uh-huh.
You click on it.
I guess.
What we gotta do for you? Gotta set a text box too?
Yeah, same thing we did for the last one.
You say so.
I'm happy you think so much for me. That's what I was doing for real though.
For real?
We gonna say link to marathon?
Yeah. Nah, link to video.
You lost so much.
I don't be lying.
Wish
You know what to do. You know what to do.
Oh my god, I'm tired of doing this. I'm ready to graduate.
You don't got long, big dog. You better cherish it. It's gonna be
Mhm.
gone if you got it. For real. You don't remember nothing.
Which page we doing?
You better cherish it. It's gonna get forgotten.
It is serious. I'm just tired of doing all this work.
That ain't even a lot of work.
Please.
You just getting to the end, you getting tired. You see the finish line.
And we done.
That's all it is.
We done.
Ooh. Alright, so link to video. Alright, then I'll put my emoji again.
I'm getting old.
No one there.
Yes. Hater.
Oh, we add another page.
Alright, and then that's for that second one, and then the last one is oil painting. Okay, so I'll create that last page from the gallery, so add a sub page again. Alright, so oil painting.
So we doing
For the
gallery
last one.
page.
Alright, click those three boxes again. Don't nobody know what happened. Alright, so oil painting this time.
What kind of pictures we gotta get?
Alright, so that first we're gonna search for pixel art.
Alright. Pixel art. Of a Magic Gumball.
My pictures for the wall page is gonna be like, they gonna be pictures of fans.
That didn't work.
You know what I mean?
Say what now?
I said the little oil pages, you know they take a picture of them, so it's
Mm-hmm. That's what I did for some of the other ones. See like this one? Something like this?
yeah, it's like a
Yeah.
So copy image address. I'm tired of doing work. Time to go home.
It's
I ain't
time to go
wanna-
home already.
Yeah, I didn't want to get out of bed this morning.
Damn, she just got here. She wanna leave us so fast.
It took me a minute to get out of bed. 6:45.
You gotta put, what is that, the first one? So it's linked to game. So did you find the game website? So it's just linked to game, and then click the emoji, the little face emoji, and then just put the pointer up.
Corner up. You gotta get 3 pictures.
Link to game.
Link to game. Link that
And
game.
then scroll down till you see the whatchamacallit, the pointer up emoji.
God damn. I thought we was gonna be in the video.
Y'all gotta sign that paper so y'all to be in it. I ain't think of it.
So you just record.
Hmm?
So you just recording yourself.
No, record what I'm teaching.
Right now, how I add
you edit it up. Fan page, I can
How upload these
Can you
pictures?
still copy
I
the
can still copy it.
yeah, just copy the URL.
I did the first one that came up.
How upload these? Make homepage?
You got to
Cause you
add,
told me to click the 3 dots.
yeah, and then you gotta go to add sub page, and you're gonna type pixel art there.
So when I finish that, publish it.
Publish it and then type it in.
Okay, now go to pixel art page and click the 3 dots. No.
So now you need to go to insert, and then you're gonna put those three blocks, and then you're gonna put the pictures there.
Alright. And then put my pictures. Oh, sheesh. Gotta say sheesh. Jumping to be hard.
That's the last one. It was the fan page. All right, so yeah, so I would search for fan page last.
Now I feel like I'm done for the day.
You done for the day. Y'all gotta take tests tomorrow?
What's
You got
this?
state test tomorrow?
I'm saying, I was asking.
I think that's just for people that take classes.
Oh, got some of y'all
I
big
don't know.
dogs.
Yeah,
Some of y'all big dogs almost done.
What I do after I upload? Let me Cause I'm ready to go to bed.
So, that's a fan page.
Are you sorry?
Mm-hmm.
I'm tired every day. I'm ready for that money to hit my account.
What money?
And doing what it do lately. Making it do what it do.
Alright, link to another fan page.
Put on Deja. Oh, never mind, never mind.
Alright, so after I do that last one, so you should have the pixel art. Alright, when I click on that, it should take me to that game. Realism. Alright, should take me to that marathon. And then lastly, the oil painting. It's gonna, and then that's gonna take me to the Wikipedia, or the kind of another fan page of the show.
I ain't gonna lie, that was a lot.
Don't lie to me.
It wasn't a lot.
Because that was a lot.
It wasn't a lot at all.
I'm just having class.
That's 3 pages.
It is. So it was just basically because the standards is kind of just talking about the same thing, so it's kind of reiterating some of the stuff we've already done. And then that is it.
That's it. Turn this in it.
Who? I mean, that's how you gain weight. You gotta
Right now, I'm cutting. Right
you gotta eat protein.
I'm cutting, so I'm doing the complete opposite. I'm doing less calories.
That's what I hope.
I don't even think I eat what you do that one shake and 2
Finish that.
All right, so I'm gonna click on the big one, and then I'm gonna click here, and then you'll put the link there. So you'll search for online games for venture. Yeah, may as well go down. I said the venture time again.
Online games.
Mm-hmm.